माँ बाप ने किसको ज्यादा मारा है? फर्स्ट चाइल्ड या सेकंड चाइल्ड?
फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, क्योंकि वो डिजर्व कर रहे हैं.
No, younger siblings are entitled.
What the fuck entitled?
In your old age also, like when your parents are...
I'm never going there. I'm dying at 38. I think younger siblings they can survive an apocalypse because the jugaad that they can manage.
Yeah, because they fucking caused the apocalypse.
Sisters could never.
I think we have sacrificed so much for our younger siblings. Like
who asked? बचपन से मेरी बहन ने मुझे बोला कि कॉकरोच भी सुसु करते हैं और मैंने मान लिया.
नहीं करते क्या?
What are we talking about today? I have just got an irritating message from her. I'm so irritated, and it's what are the odds that we're talking about?
This is to Riley Wapulli.
What the fuck?
What is she saying?
She wants that TV now. I get it. She's paying 11,000 rupees a month for it, but you can't just give me something and take it back.
But technically it's hers, na?
But okay, let me explain, guys. Comments में बताओ अगर ये सच है, अगर ये correct है, अगर ये correct है कि नहीं. मेरी बहन ने जो किया है मेरे साथ, ठीक है?
क्या किया है भाई?
I hope she doesn't watch this, but वो मेरे साथ रहती थी,
हाँ. For temporary.
For some time she was living with me because I wanted her with me, so she came to stay with me and she got this TV, okay? Because उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं हो तो चलेगा, टीवी होना चाहिए. It's a TV that is equivalent to my car. Yeah. The price of my car.
Yeah.
So for her it's like her car. I think she would want to take that one thing with her to her grave. She's bought this really expensive TV and it has come to my house. And it's gorgeous. Now I had this much TV, I was happy. This much. 45 inches, whatever. I was happy. 45? I was watching. Now you can't show me a bigger TV and then ask me to demote. Just because you have moved out and you have found someone in your life and now you want to live on your own.
This is her TV.
But it's like giving me your baby, saying that you take care of this baby, I don't want this baby, and then taking it back. I'm attached to it. How can you... Is it right for her to take the TV back? Tell me, Sakshi, is it right for her to take it back?
Yes, it is right.
My mother-in-law loves watching her TV serial on it. What about that?
Your mother-in-law
will also... I will not... We'll go to court for this. Imagine going to court for this. She's saying, I'll buy you another... just give me this.
She's saying I'll buy you another one.
But I want this one, na?
But she actually offered.
I don't want the 1 lakh one. I want the 5 lakhs one. The TV is 5 fucking lakhs.
You married Bhavish. You married Bhavish to ask him to buy you the TV. 5 lakhs wala. Ask him to get you a TV.
He will not even buy me a 5 rupees coffee bite at this point after seeing the stock market crash.
I can't believe you got irritated when your sister has asked for her own TV back. This is the problem.
It's the wrong time.
No, younger
I'm
siblings...
moving. I already am stretched.
No. Younger siblings are entitled.
What the fuck entitled? You stayed with me all this while.
Yeah.
And you ate the food in my house.
So
what if I asked you to stay with me? You ate my house.
So you will come to my house and park
your car. You ate my avocado, na?
1 second. You will come to my house, park your car in my parking, and then not take it back? I'll say it's in my parking, it's mine now.
If we all drove in it and you drove mostly, if you drove that car mostly.
No, I think...
What if your life depended on that car?
Your life depends on that TV?
Yeah.
So explain how.
I watch our podcast episode on it.
That is so stupid. We can watch it on the phone.
No, but you need to watch it in full screen.
I think the TV needs to go back to her. Good on you, Disha. It's your TV. Take it back.
I'm not giving you the TV. What will you do? It's my... I have it with me right now.
Have you packed it? No.
I also offered to pay the EMI. I offered.
But she wants her TV back, yeah?
But I'm giving you EMI.
But let's talk about this only, na? Younger and older siblings. I feel younger siblings are such entitled, horribly spoiled. खुद कुछ नहीं करना है, अपनी बहन के टीवी पे पलना है वाले लोग.
I have generated images of how I'm going to do up my hall on ChatGPT. What am I going to tell ChatGPT now? ChatGPT, have you ever been embarrassed in front of ChatGPT? I'm going to be like, ChatG, वो TV नहीं रहा.
Can you do it now?
And then ChatG will be like, lol.
Can you do it now?
What?
ChatG.
No. It's my daddy. I talk to him.
अच्छा एक काम कर, don't give it back.
Then
Nothing, you'll just not have a sibling. She's going to fight.
let me think about this. What's better?
Like if my younger sister was talking about me like this to somebody on her podcast, I would disown her. I would be like, this is our personal
She
matter.
didn't
Why?
need you anyway. She's very happy in life. एक तो these elder sisters, they think that the whole दुनिया का जो burden है ना, सबके, साक्षी का problem, प्रतीक का problem, आपका problem, सब इसके कंधों पे है.
But that's true.
आप लेकिन अगर आप problem लेके आओगे ना तो solution नहीं होगा इसके पास.
Excuse me?
बस वो सोचे कि मुझे
मेरा
कितना काम
motto है.
मुझे ना अपने पेरेंट्स का पॉलिसी कराना है, LIC कराना है, सिपलिक कराना है, सब कुछ कराना है, मेरे पेरेंट्स का इंश्योरेंस.
मेरा motto है.
Oh my God, life insurance. Oh my God, pension.
अच्छा हो जाए तो बता देना.
हाँ, what?
मेरा मोटो है, I'll handle it. कुछ भी
तू
होता
है
है तो
motto.
मेरे मुंह से निकलता है, I'll handle
तू
it.
है motto.
अब नहीं हूँ. It doesn't work.
You are.
It has to be true.
You still are.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm really not. Comments में बताओ. But my entire personality has been, I'll handle it. I'll handle it. Acha, you have a problem with your TV, I'll handle it. Acha, you have a problem with your money, I'll handle it. You have a problem with your husband, I'll handle it. I have always done, I'll handle it. And older siblings do that.
And but why do you guys panic for no reason?
Huh?
For no reason. I remember when we had gone to Nashik, your sister was coming, and you have panicked like वो 5 मिनट के लिए अनअवेलेबल थी.
5 मिनट के लिए अवेलेबल थी वो.
5 मिनट के लिए बेचारी.
मेरी बहन
अब तुम रोड ट्रिप पे
अकेले
कहीं जा रहे हो तो तुम सो जाओगे ना, थोड़ा सा तो सो जाओगे ना तुम.
ऑफ. मेरी बहन अकेले आई है दिल्ली से नासिक और उसको आना है हमारे पास जो 1.5 घंटा दूर है. अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग शी हैज बुक्ड अ कैब and she is traveling alone from the Nasik airport where she's never been. She's never been to Nasik and she's this frail little thing.
She's very independent and strong woman of 2026.
She has traveled from Nasik airport and she has to come 1.5 घंटा in the middle of nowhere where we are, and suddenly she is not answering her phone
for 5
after
minutes.
landing.
5 minutes and she has gone.
It wasn't 5 minutes.
She's gone like this.
She didn't answer for an hour.
That's what you felt in your head.
No.
5 minutes I was with you.
She slept in the car and she woke up after an hour and saw 18 missed calls. उसने मुझे मैसेज किया, I have landed, taking a cab, and उसके बाद she is गायब. There is no phone call she's answering. I don't know how to track her. I know she's alone with some Maharashtrian cab driver. I shouldn't say Maharashtrian cab driver. They are safe.
And then who helped you? The younger one.
Who helped me
of
do
another
what?
family. Who helped you get in touch with her? Please say that also.
How did you help me get in touch with her? She woke up and she came
Wow,
back.
this is another problem of older sisters. They completely forget when people have helped them. They just forget conveniently. They will say, "I did this for you when your
What did
parents
you
were
do?
away. I was your parent." But you will. How did you get in touch with her?
She woke up and she called back.
Oh my fucking
She
God!
was sleeping.
You have
What?
forgotten how you got in touch with her.
How I got in touch with her?
How did you manage to call her? Whose phone did she have?
Huh?
She had your mom's phone.
She had my mom's phone. Yeah, because her phone. Oh, one more detail. Her phone had stopped working, so she was carrying my mom's phone.
And then who helped you to get in touch with her? Call her, and she answered the call. You have forgotten. Very
You
convenient.
called her, but she woke
How
up and
did I
answered the
call
call.
her? How?
How did you call her?
On Instagram.
Yeah, but she was
Wow.
sleeping. She didn't answer your calls
You
either.
don't remember my Jugadu brain?
But she didn't answer your call.
She
was sleeping.
answered it. Oh my God, are you lying right now on local TV,
It's not TV.
local smart TV?
Local YouTube.
You
Bro,
couldn't get in
nobody is
touch with
watching
her
us on
because
TV.
her phone was on silent. I have called your mom's Instagram,
yes.
and she has answered that call.
Because she woke up.
No, because on Instagram, and even if you keep your phone on silent, Instagram पे call करते तो वो बचता है. That was the whole fucking point. You told me. Thank
Look
you
at what
so much.
Sakshi is doing.
Thank you so much.
Sakshi, what did you just do? Do again.
I'm going to call Sunny.
What is she talking about?
Listen, I can tolerate anything but not getting credit for what I have
know
done because it has happened to me twice. That is another episode.
I know you called her on Instagram. I'll give you that. It was a really out of the box thought कि चलो
हाँ
यार.
तो यही तो पूछ रही थी मैं बोलने के
अरे
लिए.
but that was not the reason she picked up. She picked up because she woke up.
She woke up because it rang.
She's saying it doesn't happen.
It happens. You don't speak.
Hello.
Sonali,
Yeah.
do you have 2 minutes?
Yeah. I'm actually मैं कहीं आई हुई थी. मैं 10 minutes में call back करूँ?
बस 2 मिनट ही चाहिए मुझे तुम्हारा. अच्छा listen, that day remember when Saloni started panicking when you were going from Delhi to Nashik?
हाँ.
You remember you had your mom's phone
Yeah.
and you remember it was on silent.
Yeah.
And then how did you manage to eventually pick up the call?
I just woke up and I saw the missed calls. I was sleeping.
It was not because I called on Instagram and it rang.
No. I don't think so. I don't remember actually. I just remember. I
She doesn't remember.
Yeah.
One second, try to remember now because your sister is not giving me credit for a great idea. Because that day I called you.
Sonali,
from
you can
Instagram.
go, you can cut the phone on her face.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna call you back.
Yeah, okay, go. Bye.
She does not
Bye.
remember. She does not remember.
Guys,
Oh my god, why did you thank me that day then? For what?
that you thought out of the box, but she woke up and
But why
called.
would you thank me?
Because you were thinking you were trying to help me.
Oh my God.
No one else was doing anything
I'm
else.
not doing this episode anymore. I'm not.
You said let's call Sonali. You said let's talk
She
to
does
her.
not remember.
Okay, fine. Can we move on?
Yeah, no.
So आज हमारा टॉपिक है कि
Wow, you didn't guess?
सिंगल बच्चे तो होते ही क्या कोई सिंगल बच्चा है सबके सिबलिंग
Single मतलब not marital status.
नहीं ओनली चाइल्ड अच्छा
कोई
ओनली चाइल्ड तो वैसे ही फक्ड अप होते हैं बट आई फील यंगर चिल्ड्रन आर आल्सो क्वाइट मेस्ड अप इन देयर हेड बिकॉज उन्होंने ना कभी रियलिटी नहीं देखी दे आर ऑलवेज इन दिस शेल दिस पैम्पर्ड स्पेस उनको जो चाहिए था मिल गया पेरेंट्स आर लॉट मोर स्ट्रिक्टर विद द एल्डर सिबलिंग
Guys, किसी को smell आ रही है कोई? जलने की. ये कर रही थी ना?
माँ बाप ने किसको ज्यादा मारा है फर्स्ट चाइल्ड या सेकंड चाइल्ड यूजुअली
First child क्योंकि वो deserve करते हैं.
they don't fucking deserve it it's like we are a test that the parents are doing
And
they
you
have no
know-
fucking idea what they're
Okay,
doing
let me counter that. When you have your first child, you are reading all the best parenting books. Let me finish, don't cut me off. You're reading all the best. I have seen you doing it, so shut up.
reading
Yeah,
I
you
read
have
zero books.
You
Oh
have,
my God, what's
you have
wrong with her?
watched. I don't think if you have a second child, you're going to do as much mehnat as you did the first time. You're always going to take it lightly. Like every time my mom speaks about her journey with both me and my sister, she would say, "Oh, with Cookie, you know, we took her to Odelia's, and she was born in Breach Candy, and then I was in Elizabeth." And then she took me to some random nursery school because by the time you have a second child, you're done experimenting, you're done doing all the hard work, and then your second child is just like, chal chala, ठीक
So I have had
So you take the second child as अरे तू कर देखो जो करना है, and that is more traumatizing because they don't get the same love, respect that the first child gets. They don't get
Yeah,
the
because
same
they don't
pampering
deserve
that
it.
the first child gets. They also get everything second hand. Everything from books to clothes to shoes to everything.
But they get everything,
They also
na?
get second hand friends.
which you didn't get
Huh? I don't use second hand things.
the younger kid gets anything they want ठीक है मतलब मुझे एक
I didn't
phone
get.
मुझे that's you मुझे
Then
एक
why are
phone
we having this conversation?
because you are an by the way I'll tell you जो तू अभी बोल रही थी ना मेरे साथ exact opposite हुआ है when I was born my parents had a scooter 4 लोग स्कूटर पे बैठ के जाते थे मैं मेरे पापा मेरी दादी और मेरी मम्मा ठीक है हम लोग 4 लोग स्कूटर जब तक मेरी बहन आई गाड़ी थी भाई एस्टीम थी
ये कौन सी fantasy है यार तुम्हारे family की?
हाँ मैं पैदा हुई थी क्या बजाज हॉस्पिटल समथिंग एंड she was born in Holy Family in this sweet excuse
Bajaj Hospital.
I
Isn't
don't
that a
remember what
scooter
hospital.
brand?
Yeah, it might be. It was a scooter brand that started a hospital where I was born. Okay, my parents had no money when I was born, and I was called the silver child because they had no money when I was born, and she was called the golden foot
But
child.
silver का price काफी बढ़ गया आजकल.
लेकिन gold का फिर भी ज्यादा है ना. So when my
But-
sister was, I think they gave me silver because they called my sister the golden child, and they were like, "Oh fuck, we have two." So then they looked at me and said, "But you were also silver." We got upgraded thoda when you were born, but we got upgraded a lot more when my sister was born. We got a car. We shifted from a Maruti to a Esteem. She was sent. Like she had more stuff. She got a phone when she was in 6th
But
standard.
you have that
I
thing
got a
about
phone
you.
when I was in 10th.
You have that
5.
thing about you. Since you came into my life, I stopped earning money.
You earned more money than you ever earned in the last
Oh,
7
I'm
years.
dividing all the money. I could have got all of it.
What do you mean dividing? Because
You.
not the podcast, you idiot.
What?
You are earning money apart from the podcast also.
No, I had to stop OnlyFans. because I'm doing this.
You stopped or what?
Yeah, saturation हो गया वहाँ पे कोई देख ही नहीं रहा.
I think we have sacrificed so much for our younger siblings. Like,
Who asked?
oh my god, younger siblings are so fucking annoying and entitled. Oh my god, I want this. They would get it. Like, easily she would get anything she wanted. Anything she wanted. Papa, I like that dress. Okay, beta.
Because they're just better people.
They're better people
They
now.
also, I think the younger siblings also look much better. They're better looking. They're more like funny in a room. Like they're like the social butterflies, and they'll make conversation with absolutely anyone. And the older sibling will be sitting just like this in the corner with the cigar in the hand and thinking, "Oh my God, sitting on a high horse. Like, oh my God, I'm so intellectual, but nobody likes me." Tell me, when was that one moment you felt like today your sister has protected you? Like, I have always waited all my life to be able to take care of my sister because she never gave me a chance.
No, you took care of her recently when she was staying with you.
So that feeling for me was like, it was so validating because I was like, finally.
But yeah, बड़े होके situation different हो जाती है. Like now, if I go to Delhi, my sister takes care of everything. She'll send a car to pick me up. It's different.
But when it happened for the first time, what did you feel like?
I felt
जब पहली
great.
बार she said, "Oh no, I'll get someone to pick you up,"
Oh, it's fantastic.
है ना?
Yeah.
But then, do you
100%.
feel weird to take that from her? Because I've seen at least Bhavesh's sister who will never want him to pay, even though maybe sometimes he may have the means to more than her.
Now not
But she
so
will
much.
never let him pay.
Now not so much. After she's married and she's now, like doing really well. So now I don't feel that kind of a pressure. If she's paying the bill and if the bill has come and she's paid for it first, it's okay. Earlier it was like when she was still in college, she had just started working. Even if I wasn't earning too much, I would be like, no, the bill is mine. I'm going to pay it. I'm the older sibling. मैं करूँगी ये सब. But after she became more stable than me at least, I was like, हाँ तू ही कर दे भाई मेरे पास तो सुन मेरे को भी थोड़े पैसे ट्रांसफर कर दे. So
How
now
did
I
that
don't
feel? Did it feel like shit यार मैं अपनी छोटी बहन से help मांग रही हूँ या वो
I think
मेरे लिए
initially
कुछ
it's
कर
a
रही
little
है?
weird.
That's the problem with you guys.
Oh my god!
Fuck off, man. What do you think you are?
That's what you were waiting for. No, it is a little weird because you have not. तुमको हमेशा बोला that you have. See, older sibling पे ना एक pressure होता है कि तुमको ध्यान रखना है. You have to take care of this being that has come, this ugly looking shit being. My sister is very pretty, but this doesn't land on me because she's too pretty. And
So I was right. Younger ones are prettier. The older ones are hotter.
that's true. Also, I feel younger siblings are far more violent. Like, they are not violent. They are violent.
Really? You think
Yeah.
so?
She used to hit the fuck out of me. And I used to hit her less because I was bigger. I was like, अगर मैंने इसे मारा इसको लग जाएंगे actually में. So I would take the beating, because I was like, I'm going to give her one tight slap. She's going to go flying over there.
My sister and I would not hit each other as much as she would bully me in very strange ways. It was not the common bullying. It was not the basic bullying. It was interesting character bullying.
Character
Like she
bullying.
would suddenly behave like a turkey man.
Huh?
And scare the fuck out of me. Like she would just do. I'd be like, Cookie, please don't do. She'd be like,
Elder
I was
siblings
like,
are
why would you do that to me? And she would look like a boy in that moment. She was so good.
elder siblings are very good at blackmailing. I used to blackmail the fuck out of my sister. Oh my god, I'm going to say this. I'm going to sound so toxic. I was that time. We were very chota and she used to go to this Catholic school, convent. They were very strict. Okay? मतलब they were so strict कि अगर उसका जी ठीक से नहीं लिखती थी तो एक चपेट पड़ता था. It was that strict. So she was possessive about her diary. जो स्कूल की डायरी होती है ना जिसमें नोट्स लिखते हैं. I would be like, ये नहीं करेगी तो डायरी फाड़ दूंगी. And she would be like, नहीं, मेरी डायरी.
Poor thing, yeah.
Then I used to be like, if you don't do this, I'm going to jump off the balcony. And then I would put one leg out of the balcony. I lived on the second floor. So I would put...
Your leg reached also, na, because you're so tall. Do you think your parents have a favorite child?
Yeah.
And
My mom's favorite child is my sister.
why do you think so?
Because my mom is in denial of any of her mistakes. मेरी mom वो घर आई है sloshed. मतलब उसका कोई वो ही नहीं है. शी इज हैड अ न्यू ईयर पार्टी एंड शी इज पास्ड आउट एंड हम उसको उठा के ऊपर लेके आ रहे हैं और मेरी मम्मी उसको देख के कह रहे बीमार हो गई, ये बच्चा बीमार हो गया मेरा. उनका नहीं, दारू पी है उसने. माई मॉम इज इन डिनायल ऑफ ऑल माई सिबलिंग्स मिस्टेक. मेरी मॉम मुझे बोलती है उसको कुछ मत बोलो, उसको तुम बड़ी हो ना, you are elder one na, so you have to handle. My mom's favorite is my sister. The entire family knows this. Like sometimes my sister has to tell my mom कि वो सही बोल रही है. This has also happened when we are fighting.
But why like that? What is it about her that?
I think my mom was not ready when she had me, and this happens to a lot of parents. I'm telling you very seriously.
I was also not ready to meet you. Yeah.
Yeah, parents na not sometimes they are not ready for the first child, and us time pe they used to have children much younger also, so they themselves were younger.
Yeah.
Like I've had my child at 33. I've already have the patience now for my kid. Ye advantage is it to have a child late. But my mom was 23 when she had me. She was not that prepared, so she has done a lot of trial and error with me. I must have frustrated her a lot more. You know, I was also I used to be very sick as a child, not very sick, but मेरे को वो digestive
same.
issues.
My mom tells everyone this story that I would do green potty. She has told everyone. I think my security guard also knows.
Under the table.
Yeah, I would be under the table and I did green potty. That's the only thing she remembers
She
of my
tells that,
childhood.
yeah. So I think I troubled my mom so much that my sister was a breeze for her. So I think she fell in love with my sister, and she's till date वो मेरी बहन कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं सकती मेरी मॉम. So my dad has to poor thing compensate. He takes my side because he's like कोई तो वरना ये. So me and my mom, so now me and my sister laugh at her because we are fighting. Imagine we are 30-year-olds now and we are fighting and my mom will tell me to shut up. So my sister looks at her and says हम बात कर रहे हैं ना. So it's that.
But it's so funny how, you know, as kids we were typical siblings, right? When we lived together, and then of course she moved out and I moved out, and then it is rare for sisters to come and live together during their adulthood. And I thought कि अभी हम change हो गए, अभी हमारे बीच में झगड़ा नहीं होगा अभी. और शुरू में था बहुत respect था, बहुत कि can I come in, can I sit here, can I wear this top. I can't even remember when we just transitioned back into those siblings. I think that never leaves you.
That never leaves you.
I am suddenly back fighting with her, and in the middle I'm having like this out of body experience. I'm like, can you believe we are fighting like kids? Last time we fought like this was like 15 years back.
Yeah.
And we are doing this again.
Yeah.
So that never leaves you. That relationship comes back. That's just your core, right?
Me and my sister fought. अभी तो बहुत टाइम हो गया है उसकी शादी से पहले. When I'm flying to Delhi and I'm in the flight and on the phone we have fought really badly and I'm like तू ऐसी है, तू कभी नहीं बदलेगी and this and that whatever, and she's like you are such a bully and whatever, and she's cut the phone on my face and now I have to take off. And I swear to God, in that flight, I don't know what happened, I had this feeling there was a child sitting behind me and kept kicking me throughout the flight. I swear to God, I was like, this is my sister. She has cursed me and she is causing these kicks. And that child has kicked me throughout the flight. After complaining to the mother, I have gone home and I have apologized to my sister. I said, तूने कुछ तो भी ऐसा बोला है. मेरी पूरी flight there was this kid doing this. Like, you. But parents are lying if they say they don't have a favorite. They have a favorite. They just don't want you to feel bad. 100%.
Yeah. I think I was the favorite.
Younger,
because my sister used to be very detached initially because she was also in a bad relationship and all that. So she had this energy where not accessible energy. But now, since she's out of it and she's happier and she's freer, suddenly she's this different person that everybody loves for some reason. And my mother has just, suddenly she's doing more calls with her. Suddenly my sister is applicable to be a permanent resident in London because she's not married, and my mother would do that for her. So I'm like, 1 second, इतने साल तो मैंने कितना हंसाया आपको, मैंने कितना आपको सपोर्ट किया, उसने आपके साथ कितने झगड़े किए हैं, आपको क्या क्या नहीं बोला है मेरे बीच में. मतलब I would be the third wheel between them because I would just be I would try to, and imagine me, I'm the fighter. I'm trying to like calm things down between people, and they would just go at it with each other. Cut to, they are inseparable now.
Yeah.
And my sister also likes touch. I hate it. So, and my mother loves to cuddle. So they're just cuddling all the time.
But me and my mom are much closer now after I've had a baby also and married. Like, I think my mom and I talk every day, and my sister doesn't talk to my mom every day. So I think after some time, that
everybody gets their
changes.
turn.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, for
But
sure.
tell me, what's the most like touching thing your sister has done for you? If there's one you could just point out and say that moment was beautiful, or that made me reconnect with her.
I think it's not one incident, but she has always had my back. It was no matter how much we fought, she always had my back. Like, there was nothing. If there is anyone else talking shit about me, even if it's a relative, even if it's someone she loves, she can't take that.
Yeah.
And she will always, I know the one person who is going to stand up for me in a room that I'm not in is going to be her.
And you know my sister's like that because you've experienced
Yeah.
it firsthand.
Yeah. But
हम लोग दोनों debate कर रहे थे about this whole Me Too movement and how we felt like women should not have been in this position in the first place, blah, blah, blah. हम debate कर रहे हैं about how lots of men were also kind of, you know,
attacked in some sense.
Because it was just collateral, whatever
Haan.
damage. And I was alone kind of debating with Saloni and my husband. And my sister from the bedroom has heard कि मैं अकेले लड़ रही हूँ, वो बाहर आई है गुंडी जैसे. I think you guys should know about these stories also. And she's come with full research because she reads everything. So she has come with, and then both of them are like, yeah, we are not meaning to say like that also. She has done this. I have to tell you the story about how I was bullied on set once by a director who was being he was being an asshole. He screamed at me in front of people and all of that. And I've cried and called my mom, called my sister and said, I don't know what to do. I'm being bullied and I'm not feeling okay. I want to leave, but I can't. They'll, you know, put a case on me or whatever. She said, she was somewhere out of town. She said, I'm coming back tomorrow. We do a meeting with them. She has come like my lawyer, okay? We planned a meeting. I said, I'm not coming to shoot tomorrow. We do a meeting because I am being abused on set. It was abuse. He was being an asshole. We have sat down. There is the main, like the founders of the production house. There is the director who was an ass, my sister and I. And she has this file with notes written, handwritten, okay, where these are her argument pointers. And she has मार दी उनकी मारी है और फिर बीच में क्या funny था that she, you know, Harvey Weinstein, na? So she compared him with Harvey Weinstein and they had no idea who he is. So that was the end.
TV लोग बोले Harvey Davidson, Harvey होता है ना वो तो.
They were, everything was fine for them until she said, you know, Harvey Weinstein, like, no. I thought so. And I was like, then
sometimes my elder sisters can also be overprotective. Like, I have made her...
Like, she didn't have to come walk and argue with you guys.
Oh my God, I have done the stupidest shit. हम लोग को ना वो पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है कि हम सोचते हैं हम parents हैं, जबकि हम नहीं हैं. हम हैं तो बहन ही ना. So, she has gone with her boyfriend, now husband, for a night stay. Okay, and my parents are out of town and she has lied and gone. कि मैं friends के साथ जा रही हूँ, whatever. मुझे पता लग गया रात को 2 बजे कि ये तो अपने friends के साथ नहीं है, अभी mom dad है नहीं, ठीक है? और मैंने उसको कॉल किया and I was like, तू घर वापस आ. And she's like, तू पागल है क्या? ठीक है, तेरे को पता लग गया, अब कल आके बात कर लेंगे. Like, why are you making me come back in the middle of the night? Like, that's unsafe. I have started crying. That this is so, how could you not tell me? You have to come back home right now. And the husband now is also took the phone and said, I will drop her in the morning. It's okay, she lied to you. Why are you acting like this? I have made her, she came back home.
My sister saw messages of my boyfriend then and me, where we were discussing, I think it was very mature of us that we were discussing our first kiss. And we were like, he's like, the moment I touched your lips, and थोड़ा सा English खराब था उसका,
Lips.
क्योंकि हम थोड़े young थे, ठीक है, college, whatever. So the way I touched your lips was so good, and you know, it was caressed and whatever. And she has read all those messages. She's like, ये सब करती है तू? रुक. What are you touching the lips and what is this message? हमने कहा अरे यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Yeah, even my sister was actually like,
What is your problem?
खुद तो तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है, तू
खुद तो मेरे सामने ड्रंक होके अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ चिपक रही थी.
ये एल्डर सिबलिंग का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है,
problem
आई
है यार?
एडमिट कि हम ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव हो जाते हैं. शी स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग मी आफ्टर आई मूव टू बॉम्बे एंड बिकेम कूलर. शी इज लाइक नाउ यू आर अ लिटिल कूलर. थैंक्स विराफ.
You're letting me like have sex after marriage.
Yeah, like what is it?
Thanks, huh? No, दीदी, I don't have sex even now. बच्चा तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, no
She
problem.
was so stupid, man. Would you rather be a single child or have a sibling?
Any day have a sibling. Any day. I think the experiences that we've had together, you know, you have that one person in your life जिसके साथ तुम अगर एक रूम में बैठे हो, तुम उसको एक लुक दोगे, सिर्फ तुम दोनों ही समझोगे कि तुमने उसको लुक क्यों दिया है. It's like this silent communication that only the two of you can do, especially when you're in a social setting with your family. Like if you're in a family gathering and all, you guys, if you give a look to that person, you know exactly, like it's like a whole conversation you've had.
That's so true.
And nobody has shared the real experiences of your childhood or just the traumas you've gone through.
Yeah. Together, na?
Like if your sister can be objective, she'll be the best therapist for you if she can be objective, because she gets it. You don't need to give her any explanation of what happened. She knows because she experienced it first.
Yeah, that's so true.
And we have, like, I remember very vivid memory of the 26 July floods. My parents were working, they were stuck and lights चली गई थी. They were so worried. 2 दिन हम अटके हुए हैं घर में. हम बच्चे हैं, स्कूल के बच्चे, हमको खाना बनाना नहीं आता, कुछ नहीं आता, और हम सोच रहे कि क्या करेंगे, घर पे खाना नहीं है, 2 दिन कैसे रहेंगे. मेरी बहन ने बोला रुक, मैं बनाऊंगी आज आलू की सब्जी. जला हुआ आलू का सब्जी उसने खिलाया मुझे. पर आई डोंट थिंक आई रिमेम्बर द टेस्ट एंड I've been wanting, I remember making jala hua aloo ka sabzi to get that taste back, because there's something about that aloo ka sabzi that I can never
That's so sweet.
recreate again.
Me and my sister used to get along really well also. Like we would fight, but we would get along really
Yeah.
well. So in the middle of the night, so we had a sleeping time ना 10 बजे आपको सोना है क्योंकि अगले दिन स्कूल है, 6 बजे उठना है. हम लोग 10 बजे सोने का नाटक करते थे और फिर जब मॉम डैड सो जाते थे तो हम 12 बजे उठ के चिल करते थे. तो हम 12 बजे उठ के डांस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? And we have put on music. It's not loud, but we are dancing like. And my sister's doing.
Pia, of course you danced on Pia.
It was some English.
With the towel, you
No,
did.
no, we didn't have towels on.
Fuck, you've not.
Please,
learned.
I don't want my audience to have that image of me and my sister.
Pia, oh Pia.
So
You've
listen,
not.
now, so we are dancing in our room, okay, and we are thinking everyone's sleeping. We are having a party. This is our idea of a party in school, okay. So I am literally doing this step. I have to show you. I'm doing. Okay, I am turning and I'm doing this. Okay, and she's doing. Okay, and suddenly at some moment when I've turned and I've looked at the door and my dad is standing over there like that. And my dad is like, and we have frozen and we have not said anything and we've gone back and we have gone back to bed. We have gone straight from the dancing door, lied down.
Like it never happened.
Like it never happened.
Like he was dreaming.
Yeah, like he must, अगले दिन he must be like, oh, मैं शायद सपना देख रहा हूँ. In your old age also, like when your parents are.
I'm never going there. My old age, I'm never reaching that stage. I'm dying at 38.
Wow, please do.
To find a replacement for your podcast.
At 38, if I'm doing this podcast, I will kill myself only.
You won't do.
At 38,
I have to find a replacement then.
Because I'm almost 38 anyway.
Sakshi, start practicing.
I have seen like my dadi, you know, connect only with us. After your parents go away, there's this, the only person who understands your entire life is your sibling, right?
Yeah.
So it's such a, like, I think that bond sometimes even becomes stronger when you've faced loss.
So many siblings have actually mended their relationships after the loss of their parents, because it just brings you together.
Yeah.
I saw my husband when he lost his grandmom. The siblings are close, but they're not intimately close. And the moment of the whole body going into the what do you call it?
The fire.
The fire, whatever, the electric thing.
Hmm.
I saw all of them hug each other and cry. And I don't think that moment will happen anytime soon again, you know. It's
Yeah.
such a rare moment.
Yeah.
It brings you together, and you can only do that with your siblings. I don't think you can do that
Oh
with
my
a friend.
God, fuck, I have to have another child.
Yeah.
I think the point of this episode was that I need to go and have another child.
I know that's
now.
why you keep asking me to have a child so that your daughter
That's
has
true.
company.
We'll force them to be.
But then she'll be the elder sister now. You decide who you want to
Beruza will be
traumatize
the
her
elder
like that.
sister, irrespective now, na? That's not optional.
That's true.
What is your logic?
No, but you can find an older, like Anisha.
And they have a sisterly bond.
But digressing, but Saloni's daughter has friends thrice and 4 times her age,
yeah.
which is 4 because she's 1. So like 10 times her age.
Yeah.
How do such old girls come to play with Veruze?
Single child, no? They need younger siblings. So, so Anisha and Veruze are very sisterly in their being. Like they will put music and dance together. They will play together.
And I
like
was like,
kitchen
Anisha
set
इसके
के
साथ बोर
साथ.
नहीं हो जाती है तो बात भी नहीं कर सकती यार.
No, it's very like she wants to pick Veruze up. It's a very sisterly bond. It's not a friendship. It's a little beyond that. Because she's also a single child. She doesn't have a sibling. So it's beautiful to
The
watch
story
them.
of when my sister saw me for the first time, my mom has told me the story a million times. I'll tell you in short. She has come with Dadu, holding the tiny finger. She's this tiny. She's like a year and a half older.
Yeah, she was very
only.
chotu.
Okay, so she was a year and a half. Math. She's walked. She has looked at me. Chota baby! And left. She's like, Chota baby.
She must have just learned to talk by that time.
Chota baby. She has said, Chota baby. And she's like, Chalo Dadu. And she's left. She has given her comment on me.
That's so
And she's
cute.
left.
And she still says that only. Na, when
She
was
named
little.
me Kuchi, na? It's the
Because
worst
she
name
was
ever.
cookie.
Yeah, she's like, I need her also to be like mentally tortured.
So sweet. Middle siblings don't count. Middle siblings are nowhere.
Middle siblings are like, they are a mistake. First child you plan.
are.
Second one, if you had a third child, that is planned for sure. So the second one has to be a mistake. That's my math.
I think the second one, see, the first one is planned.
Huh.
The second one also was planned, but because you didn't like the second one, you had the third.
So you are the rejected piece. But then success to comes then to middle children. Because you have to, na?
Yeah, because you have to prove yourself, na? You
Yeah.
have to have some self-worth because
Then
your
you should
parents
have
are
3 kids so that at least your second one is successful.
Why are you assuming Veruze won't be?
Just thinking at least the chances are that the
Veruze
second
is
one
my
will be-
budhape ki lathi. She has to take care of
Listen,
me.
but you have to give her trauma, otherwise nahi hoga.
So how do I give her trauma?
Just give. Just do things. I'll tell you. Just
No.
call my mom.
Just
She'll teach you.
so yeah.
My
So
mom's
middle-
going to give galis to me after this episode. Mom, I love you, you know that, but girls got a rant.
If you're a middle child, comment and tell us how it is to be a middle child because
We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know. You're the younger one, I'm the elder one. I don't know what a middle child really goes through, but from my observation, they are poor things sandwiched between.
And single childs are just like, why? एक ही करना था तो किया ही क्यों?
ऐसे मत बोल यार, हो सकता है मैं एक ही करूँगी यार.
It's always 2 girls and 2 cups. It's not 1 girls and 2 cups.
Okay, keep watching 2 Girls and 2 Cups. Like, share,
Bye.
subscribe. Bye.
Oh wait, guys, I think we need to do this. तुम लोग जब हम सब्सक्राइब बोलते हैं आप नहीं कर रहे हो ना सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो ना तो अभी आप करो हम वेट कर रहे हैं. It's down. Yeah. Tell them. You can't be so nonchalant about this.
Subscribe.
Guys, please. And comment now. One comment. Saloni, you are a gorgeous motherfucking bitch. Right. Say na
Yeah,
something.
right, Saloni. You're a gorgeous motherfucking bitch. I'd
Srishti,
like
you're
to hear
so
that.
funny. You don't need Saloni for this pod. Right. Srishti, write a shairi for me. I like shairis. Poetry.
I'm done. I'm so exhausted.
And 2 cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Keep listening. Bye. Ciao. अलविदा. हट रे.